Red and pink. Oh, what do we have here?
Guys, we're in Hillegom, which is in the Netherlands. We've come here to look at the tulips. So we're just walking now to collect our e-scooter, which we've got for about a day. Tomorrow we've got some things booked, but it's looking like it'll rain, so we'll see how we go.
Well, it's a beautiful change of scenery here. Rivers going through everywhere. You can see why everyone rides their bicycles around. It's just too beautiful to even think about going into a car. Oh, what do we have here?
Two-person scooter.
Wow.
Let's go see some tulips. We've arrived.
What do you think so far, Ange?
It's beautiful.
The weather's just holding out, a bit of sprinkles coming down, but can't stop us. We've got our umbrellas actually, which yeah, kind of sucks, but yeah, hopefully it doesn't piss down. But
Fingers crossed.
just tulips everywhere. Ah, look at that. Oh, it's starting to come down now. Oh no. Come on, Zeus, turn the rain off. Zen. The rain's definitely started to come down a bit now. Literally right after we
We jinxed it.
spoke about it. But we're gonna go under that cover over there and try and wait it out. actually ridiculous how big this place is and how well kept it is.
It's amazing. The garden, take my hat off to the
Oh,
gardeners.
the gardeners, like, there's not one bit of this garden that's out of place. Like, no leaves on the ground, nothing. It's incredible. Alright, suss this out. It's actually like a sanctuary of the heavens. It's crazy. Well, don't fall in the edge. All I've been thinking today is this place, it's missing something. What is it? It's an olive tree, but look what we found here. Beautiful olive tree. All the tulips and flowers in this greenhouse are in unreal condition. No external weather elements like wind and rain, so yeah, everything just looks perfect in it. It's pretty amazing actually. Everything in this place has so much detail, like even the trees on the perimeter here, all shaped the exact same way. And over there, it's just incredible, like next level. Alright, so we're back at the start now. It's now nearly 11 o'clock and there is so many more people. It's actually packed now.
Yeah, recommendation, come at 8 o'clock and come on a weekday.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so we're done at Keukenhof. Spent about 2.5-3 hours here. It is massive. It is so big, like...
It's ridiculous.
Yeah,
like,
crazy.
you get your money's worth
Yeah.
of looking at tulips here, let me tell you that much.
It was €19 each, but like worth it.
Yeah, it's
Absolutely worth
pretty
it.
next level.
Yeah.
But it just finished pissing down with rain.
So
Just got some ponchos. We're about to hop on the e-scooter to go to the next spot.
The Tulip barn, our spot's at 11:30, so walking to our scooter now.
Hopefully it doesn't rain again, but we're pretty safe now.
Yeah.
These bad boys.
Alright, beautiful view.
Hopefully it doesn't rain on us. We decided not to put our ponchos on.
Tulip barn. So we're back out, we went back to the room, had some lunch, and now we've created our own food around. So let's see if we can find some nice tulips. So we found some purple, red, white, there's some orange down there.
We also found some swans.
Yeah.
Got some rain coming down now. Not to fear though. We have our ponchos on.
Matching with the flowers.
Yeah, it's
Red
true.
and
Red and pink.
pink, yeah.
Red and pink. Alright, we're gonna head to the next spot. Let's
See you
go,
there.
let's go.
It's King's Day today here in the Netherlands, so we're heading off to Amsterdam, and on a boat for 4 hours, free drinks, so that's going to be fun. The theme here is orange, if you couldn't tell. So, happy King's Day!
We've arrived in the dam. We're in our orange. Here we go, here's the dam. But yeah, the weather's looking a bit cloudy and overcast, feeling a few raindrops. But it's not going to stop us. So interesting, along the river here, there's all these boats parked up which turn out to be houseboats. So you got like a trampoline and there's like a barbecue there. It's, yeah, all the way down the river, houseboats. Interesting. Made it onto the boat. Got our Heinekens. Cheers. So